If you've lost your focus with print on demand and you're forever feeling like you're spread thin, never knowing what to focus on in order to get those sales to come in, then I guarantee these 3 things that I'm about to share with you in this video will get you those results far faster. And after selling millions upon millions of dollars worth of print on demand products, I can pinpoint these as the reason for my continued success. Your success comes down to focusing, and by far and away, number 3 is the most important aspect on your print on demand journey. Marketing. Obviously, marketing is super important. It's how you get the eyeballs on the products you're wanting to sell. And in order to shortcut your path to success, you must focus on one platform. That way, you maximize the amount of time that you've got to focus on your business. If you have a full-time job and a family and can only dedicate a couple of hours a day, it's important to maintain that complete focus. So whether you're on Facebook and Instagram or TikTok running paid traffic, or you're on Etsy or Amazon doing search engine optimization or SEO, each platform will require its own learning curve. Doing too much before you know how to create winning products is going to result in overwhelm and you inevitably giving up. Commit to one, double down on a system, and focus. The next one of the 3 is the design. You need to understand not only the style of design that resonates with your niche, but what works for the platform you're selling on. If you're running paid traffic like on Facebook and Instagram, simple sells. Given its interruption marketing and no one's going to Facebook and Instagram to buy your jewelry or metal art or whatever it is you're trying to sell, it's important to grab the attention, pull your target audience straight to what sells that product. It's important to pop out, stand out, and get that attention. Whereas if you're on Etsy or Amazon, people already know what they're searching for. You can get away with being a little bit more flashy because your customer has already typed in what they're looking for. They are in that buyer mindset. But again, simple sells. Removing as much resistance as possible is going to get you far better and far faster results than overthinking design styles. Now, if using the Pareto principle, 80% of your time needs to be focused on this area. And by far the most important of the 3, you must be spending time on the research and development of your own POD designs. It allows you to start understanding how these things sell, and it inspires you to create new and unique products that haven't been seen before. Copying is not researching. It may be great for short-term wins and reducing your ability to sleep at night, but being ethical and creating newness in the marketplace is where your long-term sustainability comes from. It's why I've been able to live full-time off print on demand for almost 10 years now. Each of these 3 key needle-moving activities, phrase research and development, design, and marketing, require you to be focused. It requires you to understand the fundamentals of each. And it's exactly what I teach all through my social media channels, all through my YouTube channel, and of course, what I personally teach my students inside Pod Hacks, my coaching program. If you'd love the step-by-step blueprint to creating a $10,000 plus per month print-on-demand business, make sure you check out podhacks.co, or if you want to learn the fundamentals of phrase research, make sure you watch this video next.